Hey there, Newswade fans! How could you be any cooler? Have you ever wondered how we can store renewable energy on a massive scale? Well, today we're diving into an incredible project that's changing the game. We're talking about Energy Vault's gravity energy storage system at the Reid Gardner site in Nevada. This isn't just any old battery. It's a groundbreaking approach to energy storage. So let's get into it and explore how this innovative system works. First, let's set the scene at the Reid Gardner site. This was once a coal-fired power plant, but it's getting a new lease on life. Energy Vault is transforming it into a clean energy storage facility. But how exactly does this system work? At its core, the gravity energy storage system is beautifully simple. It uses the force of gravity to store and release energy. Picture this: massive composite blocks, each weighing about 35 tons. These blocks are lifted when there's excess energy available. When energy is needed, they're lowered, generating electricity in the process. Let's break down the components of this system. We have a tall tower structure, kind of like a crane. Around this tower, there are specially designed composite blocks. These blocks are made from locally sourced materials, often including recycled waste. There's also a complex system of pulleys and motors. Now, let's walk through the energy storage process step by step. When there's excess renewable energy, like from solar or wind, it powers the system. The blocks are lifted to the top of the tower using this excess energy. The blocks are held at the top, storing potential energy. When electricity is needed, the blocks are lowered. As they descend, they turn generators, producing electricity. This electricity is then fed back into the grid. What makes this system so cool is its flexibility. It can respond to energy demands in just seconds. This is crucial for balancing the grid, especially with the variability of renewable sources. Let's talk about the Reid Gardner site specifically. It's located in Moapa, Nevada, about 50 miles northeast of Las Vegas. The project will provide 220 megawatts MW of energy storage capacity. That's enough to power thousands of homes. This site is particularly interesting because of its history. It's a great example of how we can repurpose old fossil fuel sites for clean energy. The existing infrastructure, like transmission lines, can be reused. This saves time, money, and resources in setting up the new system. Now, you might be wondering, why gravity storage? Well, it has some significant advantages. Long lifespan. These systems can operate for decades. No toxic materials. Unlike some battery technologies, it's environmentally friendly. Scalable. The system can be sized up or down based on needs. Low maintenance. The simple mechanics mean less upkeep. Let's compare this to other energy storage methods. Lithium-ion batteries are common, but they have a limited lifespan. Pumped hydro storage is effective but requires specific geographical features. Compressed air storage is another option, but it's less efficient. The Reid Gardner project isn't just about technology, though. It's also about community impact. It's creating jobs in clean energy. It's helping Nevada meet its renewable energy goals. It's turning a former source of pollution into a clean energy asset. Energy Vault has partnered with NV Energy for this project. NV Energy will use the system to provide reliable power to its customers. This partnership shows how utilities are embracing new storage technologies. Looking at the bigger picture, projects like this are crucial for our energy future. As we move towards more renewable energy, we need effective ways to store it. The sun doesn't always shine and the wind doesn't always blow. Systems like this help bridge those gaps, making renewable energy more reliable. Let's talk about some numbers to put this in perspective. The system can store and discharge 220 megawatts continuously for 8 hours. That's 1,760 megawatt-hours of energy storage capacity. It's equivalent to powering about 225,000 homes for 8 hours. The construction of this project is a feat in itself. It involves careful planning and engineering. Local materials are used wherever possible, reducing transportation costs. The system is designed to withstand extreme weather conditions. As we wrap up, let's consider the future implications. This technology could be replicated in many other locations. It could play a key role in phasing out fossil fuel power plants. It might change how we think about energy grids and distribution. So there you have it, Energy Vault's gravity storage system at Reid Gardner. It's a fascinating blend of simple physics and cutting-edge engineering. As we face the challenges of climate change, innovations like this give us hope. They show us that with creativity and determination, we can build a cleaner energy future. What do you think about this technology? Could you see something like this in your area? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video interesting, give it a like and share it with your friends. Check out more at newswade.com.